Aloha from Singapore and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Swee Lee and a lot of my new students, right, they ask me about how to choose a ukulele. So okay, let me explain. Now we are inside the Swee Lee. Let me guide you about how to choose a ukulele. So this is not a ukulele. This one is an amplifier. So this one is also not. This is a stool. This one is a headphone, yes? It's not a ukulele. And this one is a guitar, also not a ukulele. And this one, of course, is not. It's a Christmas tree, yeah?
3 hours later.
Now, these are the ukuleles. This one, the small one, is called soprano ukulele. And this one is concert size. And this one is tenor size. Yeah, so we have like 3 usual sizes of a normal ukulele. Of course, there are some other extra smaller, which is like sopranino, which is not so common. And bigger than this is actually called baritone ukulele, which is not so commonly in the market. Then how do we know it's a ukulele? First of all, you can read it from here. So, ukulele has 4 strings, small. People say it's a small guitar. Yeah, it's a Hawaiian instrument, but it's actually from the Portuguese. Let's try the sound comparison, because this one is small bodied, it sounds very, very light, light-hearted and jolly. And whereas when we have the concert, right, it's got deeper sound. Yeah, so it's just the consequences of having different sizes of the body actually. And let me try the big one, the tenor one. So this one. Oh, for some reason this one sounds pretty much treble. Okay, let's just play. Yeah, so this is the sound. It's actually, okay, very decent sound. What's the brand? It's called Harmony. This one looks like a laminated. Usually if solid wood, the more you play it, the sound will be more seasoned, because it grows together with the time later on, yeah? Whereas the laminated wood doesn't mean that it's not nice, but usually later on the sound doesn't really change so much to become a better sound. That's what I know, yeah? So, and then the solid wood usually is more expensive because it used the whole things is like whatever the wood they use is actually solid. It's not like plywood and then they stick it with some veneer. It's not. This is like interesting, It's by Fender. Fender is very famous brand for guitar. This kind of guitar is actually, the shape is Fender Stratocaster. Is one of the model, or I should say is the most famous model of Fender. Okay, let me try this brand. Sounds interesting. This tenor looks interesting. I think it's not solid also. Okay, let me check with them, yeah? All laminated, right? You don't have the solid one? Okay. I found a carbon fiber ukulele here. Yeah, so this one, the material is not wood. This one, they are all carbon fiber. Even the fingerboard, yeah, this one is carbon fiber. It has different sound, and carbon fiber usually they are famous with the steadiness. So it doesn't really affected by the temperature, the room temperature. So whether it's hot or cold, the shape will retain the same. Usually sometimes the wood can expand or shrink if we don't take care of the instrument nicely. But for the carbon fiber, it will stay the same. Yeah, but nevertheless, the sound is different. You know, there's no wooden sound here. It's just a string. And in here, I can hear the sound is big sounding and more towards like warm. Yeah, whereas this one is the wood one, although it's laminated because they don't have the solid wood. You can hear the wood sound here. Yeah, there's some sparkling. Yeah, so it depends on your preference again. Yeah, there's always pros and cons. And apparently Harmony and also Fender, they are actually from the guitar brand. Yeah, so they are not specialized in ukulele. Nevertheless, the price very affordable. Yeah, in fact, this one is less than 200. You can get a tenor, which is good. Yeah, so this one I think is a Guitalele. Yes, these two 4 strings is like a ukulele with the low G. Yeah, because usually on normal ukulele, this one is the high G. Tang, 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 tang. Yeah, this one is with the low G, and they have additional 2 strings here. Yeah, so it's 6-string ukulele, they call it Guitalele. So let's say if a simple song, yeah, you can have the bass here. Yeah, so this one is just things that you are not looking for when you started learning ukulele. I suggest that you get a tenor size which is big enough for your fingers, not too small. Don't worry about being too small. Yeah. So if you think that this is too big, I've got some solution. You see, it's too big. Yeah. You can see it from far. Then you will see it actually is smaller. It's gonna be all right. Then you see, just now I was explaining about the high G, right? Yeah. So this one is the high G. Usually I will change this to like a low G string. Yeah, is for me to have a wider range of playing. First of all, find something that you feel comfortable with your budget first. Until you feel comfortable, then next time you already understand, right? Then you can explore to more expensive, and at least you already know what you want. And usually I will suggest to have a pin here. You know, pin here and pin here also, you know, because you need to strap on the ukulele with these 2 pins here and here. Yeah, it's not a pin number, yeah, it's different. So you hang the ukulele here so you can have 2 free hands. You can have left hand and right hand free by strapping it on your body. Then you can play also with another fingers here. Yeah, so that's good. Remember not to hang here and here, because when you hang here and here, it's still like slippery. You know, the angle of the strap is like very wide. But when you install pin here, you have to go to some surface to drill it for you here and here. You can have it steady like this without you holding anything. You can drill it, right? How much is the surface? For 2. Okay, so enjoy your ukulele journey. See you again next time.